Hello guys, so today I'm going to make a soap of Jack Skellington, and this is a stamp that I got, and I'll put the person that I got this from in my description box below if you guys want to check that person out. It is something that I purchased on Etsy, so it's pretty awesome, and I have been wanting to do a Jack Skellington soap for the longest time. I think I'll be doing different soaps with Jack Skellington because I love that character. But right now, let's go ahead and mix up the oils and butters. And this is Kaylin Clayton here with my oils and butters. I'm going to be using this fragrance here, which is called Deadly Weapon, but my colors will be black and purple. I'm just going to have one line of purple, and then I'm going to use some titanium dioxide. Oh, and my black is actually activated charcoals. It does say slight acceleration, so I'm not going to blend up anything. Really, this right. We'll do that much for black. Oh, that much for white, and let's give us our purple right now. Oh. I think I'm just going to have that much. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to blend that up big. That was it. I really want it to be a nice purple, so I'm going to do that.